Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. If you are rebuilding the upper unit of your outdrive engine and you purchased a brand new U-joint assembly and shaft and it came with a third machine groove down near the splines, we're going to talk about that. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers at the workstation now, and before we begin, we are here to help, and we are going to post links down below in the comment section as well as description section on how to assemble this stand here that holds the entire outdrive unit and this Craftsman 6-foot workbench, as well as assembling all the drawers. An additional link to a video on how to put together that lower unit stand, which is perfect. That helps protect the lower skag. In addition, a link on how to install a vise on a workbench. However, let's talk about the question that you may be experiencing. And this is out of our Alpha 1 Gen 1 Mercruiser 3.0 liter upper unit. Slides right in here. And the entire U-joint assembly and yoke shaft then feeds into the U-joint bellow area and through the gimbal and into the engine coupler where it feeds into the engine. And this is the original shaft, U-joints, and probably gears and bearings. And as you can see, pretty rough shape. Our U-joint bellow failed, allowed water into it, and unfortunately over the years, moisture and water created rust and it needs to be replaced. And below it is the brand new shaft, as you can see here. But let's talk about the difference. With the original shaft, you've got these splines and it goes straight up, and then you've got two machine grooves for O-rings. On the new one, you've got the splines, and right away is a large machine groove for an additional O-ring. Continuing up, here are the same two machine grooves for O-rings as the original old shaft or yoke as shown there. So as we look at these, the question is, why does my new part have this large machined groove cut out basically above the splines? And I'm going to answer that question right now. That came later down the line, and this basically is the new shaft designed for the newly engineered and designed engine coupler that again is inside your engine down below that this entire U-joint assembly and yoke shaft slides into. And that new coupler is a greasable coupler, and that new machine groove is to insert an O-ring, which then creates that oil tight seal or grease seal when installed in the brand new coupler. And in the event that you do not have that brand new coupler, which most people don't, me included, we do not have that new engine coupler, we are not going to use this new machine groove feature or O-ring. However, the next question becomes, well, since we do not have that new engine coupler, should we install the O-ring or should we just leave it as is? And most people say install the O-ring. Some people, believe it or not, say it doesn't even matter at all. However, we are going to install the O-ring, and our kit came with it. And you've got two small O-rings. Those are the O-rings that slide into the upper machine grooves. And then you've got this larger O-ring right here that will fit in place right here. This O-ring is actually for the water tube that is secured right here. This is the upper unit, and we are going to secure that O-ring in the actual gimbal housing that this entire upper unit slides into and is secured to. So if you're thinking, well, I think I bought the wrong part, or you saw a picture online, you matched it to your serial number, whether you've got an Alpha 1 Gen 1 or Gen 2 or Bravo, and the picture showed basically a straight shaft with no machine groove here. However, when it came in the mail, it looked like this. That is A-okay. So hopefully that helps answer the question. The new part, again, looks different when it arrived, but if you don't have the brand new design engine coupler, hey, install the O-ring anyways, slide it in place, and it won't be an issue. Hopefully this helps DIYers. Hey, we are rebuilding the entire outdrive, both upper unit and lower unit. And we're doing the upper unit first, and we're going to tackle the lower unit down the line after we finish the upper unit. As you can see here, I've got the schematics and drawings to ensure that I do everything to manufacture specs and stay organized throughout the project and purchase the exact replacement parts. And what we will do is post a link above, and it's basically going to take you to the next video of our project. And we'd love to see you there as we continue to hopefully help you during your rebuild or engine parts replacement projects. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And we are excited about all the new parts.